Hi everyone, here is a new video from Knowledge Boost channel. Today's topic is about how to boost your brain performance. Here are things that are scientifically proven to make you faster, smarter, better, and optimize your health, brain, and fitness. When you ask people, okay, rate yourself from 1 to 10, how well are you doing in these areas like eating, exercising, or something, then you'll notice everyone wants what known as magic pill. There's no such thing, but instead, there's a magic memory process. Here are 6 magic keys to have extraordinary brain. Key number 1. It's good brain food because you are what you eat. What you eat matters, especially to your gray matter. There's certain food are good for your brain like blueberries, avocado. They are really neuroproductive, and dark chocolate as well. Because generally what good for your mood is good for your mind. So this is the first key. It's really you are what you eat. Key number 2. Automatic negative thoughts. Your self-talk. People get these days so addicted to these things. Complaining, whining, or whatever you are rehearsing. You are just rewind your brain to get more of it. I'm not talking about the law of attraction here. There are a lot of actions that are going on. So you are really wiring your brain to those things. That's why they say coward dies 1,000 times and the brave person dies just once. Because every time you're rehearsing, for example, I'm scared of public speaking, and do it over and over again, you will only get the fear of public speaking every single time you do it. Your imagination. Your brain doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's vividly imagined. If you would put a brain sensing device, the same parts of your brain will light up if a dog walked in. And if you imagine that dog walked in, the same exact parts of your brain will light up. So the brain doesn't really know the difference. This is the most powerful tool you have. It's your imagination. Albert Einstein once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world." And Muhammad Ali said, "The man who has no imagination has no wings." You have all the reason in the world to achieve your grandest dreams. Imagination plus innovation equals realization. The third key is exercise, and I don't want to really get into this because it's widely known as, and there is no need to explain it. So the fourth key is, literally you have mirror neurons in your nervous system. That's why when you watch a movie or watch a sport, and you could feel what they feel. That explains the saying that, tell me your company, I'll tell you who you would become. Because you are going to imitate their habits, their behaviors, and their thoughts patterns. If you are around 9 broke people, you are going to be the 10th. The fifth key is to keep your brain alive by new learnings. The neurogenesis and the neuroplasticity mean that you can create new brain cells to the day you die. Science didn't think of that. Neuroplasticity is saying that you could create new connections. Albert Einstein's brain wasn't bigger than any of ours. In fact, it was smaller. But the parts of his brain was highly connected, as he would do this theta-state brain easily. So how to create new connections in your brain? Easily. It's just by learning new things. And I previously made a video about how to learn effectively. And now the sixth key, it is meditation. Why do I always say in my videos meditation? Because it's really important. It helps to improve your self-control, to reduce stress. It's really helpful to let you think clearly in tough situations. And it helps to increase your focus. And it's easy, just pay attention to the present moment. Meditation could literally reshape your brain, and it's scientifically proven. In a famous study conducted in 2004 by Dr. Richard Davisson, he placed wires in the heads of monks who are practitioners of meditation for years. He discovered that the monks have 30 times of the normal amount of gamma waves, which are associated with intelligence, compassion, self-control, and feelings of happiness. Here you have it all, and I guarantee you will have a better life quality if you do these steps. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thank you guys for watching. Wait us in the coming videos. Goodbye.